Toronto Community Housing, Canada's largest social housing provider, brings tenants together to make decisions that benefit their communities and affect their lives. Participatory budgeting, an idea that originated in Brazil, which allows tenants to decide how housing money is spent, is one important way it's done.
I want you to know, welcome everyone. I am proud to be here as a tenant rep and a tenant board member. And someone once asked me if I had to choose between being a tenant rep and being a tenant board member, which would I be? And believe it or not, I would be a tenant rep. Because as a tenant rep, we have an opportunity to make positive change in our communities, freedom of speech, and endless resources that we can tap into to turn ideas into reality and to affect positive change right in our own backyards.
It's one form of Toronto Community Housing, once again, bringing in tenant participation. Participatory budgeting means that the tenant, who is not left in the dark all of the time, is capable and brought to the table to discuss how we spend our money and spend our money wisely.
Step one is to get people involved. Tenants in every Toronto community housing building across the city come forward with ideas and decide which ideas are the top priorities. Tenant delegates bring forward those ideas to a big voting event. Tenants come out in large numbers to these events across the city to hear about the priorities and to vote on the winners. People presented their ideas. They all had different priorities. Tenants asked questions about the ideas. Tenants learn more about these ideas by examining display boards that each of the building creates. Then it came time to vote. One delegate from every building gets stickers. They use them to vote for the best ideas. The votes were counted, then the winners are announced. More than 150 ideas will receive $9 million in funding. It all makes a positive difference.
For my neighborhood, first time I got a project for a playground from $1.8 million, $109,000 for disabled kids, and disabled father can bring their kids. And I was very happy that it's been done for last year. And you don't know how much you'll be happy if you see something happen and you see that the kids use it, or you do something good, beneficial for your neighborhood. You'll be emotionally happy for all your life.